Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Glad you could make it. So as you can see behind me, the pool got green. So today we need to take care of this issue. I already put some shock in the water, so the algae has settled to the bottom. So basically we need to vacuum that out, and the best thing to do with algae is to vacuum to waste on your pump. I can show you how to do that. You can see down there a little bit, I got a little bit of the middle. I got the bigger chunks out of the bottom there before I set vacuum to waste. The reason why you want to vacuum to waste is if you leave the filter on, the particles are too small to be trapped by the sand filter. So you need to vacuum to waste. Basically, you're vacuuming straight out of the pool. So you're getting rid of all that water, and then you also have to fill it up a little bit. So I'm gonna grab the hose, I'll start filling the water, and then I'll set it up to vacuum to waste. All right, so you turn your pump off. Then you move this to waste. This is gonna dump everything out there. So now we can turn the pump back on and get to vacuuming the bottom of the pool, get that algae out of there. Alright, we had to come back a little bit later. My battery died. Guess I need to get some more batteries or something. Anyway, we got rid of the rest of the algae in the pool. Add a little bit more water. And now you can tell that the pool is looking much better. Let's take a look. Now we have that nice clear water. Now we're ready to go for a nice Sunday fun day in the pool. So thanks for watching, everyone. Be sure to like this video, subscribe for more content, and we'll see you in the next one.